Welcome back. You're watching News Center. Global sportswear giant Puma is betting big on India, right from investing in running culture beyond cricket to expanding its footprint across online and offline channels. I caught up with company's managing director, Karthik Balagopalan, and began by asking him about the key growth drivers for the company.
What we see in India is that, India is becoming a lot more sport focused and sport conscious, which is great. And this is exactly what we're also betting on, for us to become a sporting nation. So we are investing heavily in sport, and especially beyond cricket. We're also investing a lot into running. So running is a big focus area for us, right? And what we have actually done is that we do think that from a macro perspective, running is one of the fastest growing sports in the country. We are supporting it. We're investing heavily into running. So not only from a, let's say, our product assortment point of view, but also in terms of the races that we support across the country and everything that we're doing from the entry level runner to the elite runner, right? So we have about 4 races across the country, right from VDHM, which is in Delhi, to the half marathons in Bombay and Bangalore, and also the iconic Ladakh Marathon. So we are betting heavily on this. We also extend that by also having, let's say, weekly runs. We've have runs across the major cities, nearly one a week. We work with top run coaches across the country. So I think for us, like this participative sport is very, very important. And we think this is only going to accelerate even further going forward.
Right.
Recently,
Karthik, if I were to ask you about the kind of growth that you're expecting from India or you're hoping for in the next few years.
I'm sorry, I can't really divulge growth plans right now for the future. But yes, India is one of the fastest growing markets for us, and we are extremely bullish on the market and also Puma in India.
You know, I know it's very difficult to divulge immediate numbers, but just to ask you about the global situation and how it's impacting brands like yours, especially in light of the tariff uncertainties, the trade deals that India is negotiating with US and Europe. How do you think Puma stands to gain as a result of these trade deals which are in the pipeline?
We have, also balanced our sourcing strategy by having also with, let's say, BIS now in place. We were already early in the local sourcing field. So we are well positioned, in order to not only ensure business continuity, but also take advantage of any deals that we may crack in the future.
Right. Could you also give us a sense of how do you plan to expand the footprint in the country? Are there specific strategies you're going to deploy in the next few months and years?
We are very well distributed in the country. We have one of the largest distribution footprints. We continue to remain, to observe the key trends in the market, and we will make investments in places that where it's proven for us. Right now, like I said, our distribution is and our revenue as well is equally split between online and offline. So we have managed to again balance both channels, especially in a digital first market like India.
All right. Thank you very much, Karthik, for joining us for this call and giving us your view on how Puma plans to grow its footprint in India and the kind of campaigns and strategies you're looking to deploy. On to our CNBC